Hey traders, Raghi here, and in this update we're going to get into why and where are we short. And the first thing to keep in mind is it's easy to sort of dismiss that we're selling off today because of geopolitics. But the tools will show you, and I'll show you how precise we can get about what day even we started thinking about looking to the short side. So we always want to remember, trust our gauges. The news is going to come and go. Sometimes the news is even deceiving and can put us on the wrong side of the market. But if we trust our tools and gauges, we're going to be fine. So let's start this off with the NASDAQ. Yes, the NAS is moving down lower today. What do we have here? What are we looking at? We're looking at red grab candles. Red meaning bearish sentiment, bearish momentum. And you'll notice these red grab candles have been dominating as early as mid-January of this year. So here we are into mid to late February. This is not a new trend. Another thing you'll notice is we've broken key support. And what is this key support? It's probably one of the most important levels you can watch, and we use the Simpler Propulsion to track it. And that is the 200 exponential. So you see we're layering these tools on to get a clearer picture. So finally, yes, now we have this geopolitical situation with the Ukraine and Russia, and we're moving lower, but you'll notice that's not really where the setups arrived. Short the rip is something we're going to learn to do more of as you follow me in these free videos and even join me in Charts and Coffee every morning at 9 a.m. at the Simpler Trading YouTube channel. Short the rip is basically the other side of the coin of buy the dip. You need a downtrend, bearish momentum, bearish trend, and then you need a bounce. That's what the rip is, right? And then you need a quick bounce. This is where we have been taking advantage of the downside, but this isn't the only place. Let's take a look at the Russell. Now, there have been two corners of the market that have been a little bit more bearish than others. And from an index perspective, that's been the Russell and that's been the NASDAQ. And again, you'll notice right through here, about the mid to late part of January, we started getting good bearish structure. By early January, we had consistent red grab candles. So Q after Q about staying bearish. And then once again, wait for the rips and take advantage of them when they come. And you know what's interesting about rips? You're going to feel very generally as if you are on the opposite side of the larger consensus. And this is a good thing because remember, the majority of the market wants to buy when prices are moving higher and they want to short when prices are moving lower. What you're doing, what we're doing together here is saying, well, what's the bigger picture? Do we have bearish momentum and bearish structure? And if we do, when prices are moving higher, that is our opportunity. This is the way to trade these rips. This is the way to take advantage of these opportunities in a way that, quite frankly, anecdotally, probably 90% of the market doesn't view it. How many traders were thinking after a strong Tuesday and Wednesday that this market was going to rip higher, only here to realize, oh, we're in a downtrend. This is the edge you'll have when you're measuring the momentum and the trend and you're using these color-coded candles. And these are things that, by the way, you can head on over. You might want to write this down. CountdownTrader.com. www.countdowntrader.com. If you head on over to the homepage of that site, you can download these color-coded candles for free. I want you to be able to interpret this market in the way that we're describing in these updates and also in the way that I describe in the Charts and Coffee show. Get these indicators on your chart, start to see what a lot of other traders aren't able to see. That's your edge. And then once you get visually comfortable with these, jot this down. On March 9, we're going to have a webinar, and I'm going to talk to you about how we've been putting these tools and these trends together using these very tools. Understanding momentum, understanding trend. We'll do that on March 9. In the meanwhile, follow the color of the grab candles. And in the premium video, we'll dive into, well, yeah, there are shorts in this market, but there are buys as well, queuing in on gold, queuing in on crude. Again, look at the grab candles. When you download that over from Countdown Trader, you'll see the colors, and then I'll see you on March 9, and I'll show you more about how to put them to use. I'll see you in the next update. Hey traders, Raghi from Simpler Trading. Thank you so much for watching this video. Be sure to leave a like and a comment below. And remember, Subscribe and click the bell icon so you'll get notified of the next update. And when you're ready to join me for live trading, be sure to head on over to simplertrading.com. I'll see you in the next update.